Hello viewers, in this video we'll see normal wages and overtime wages calculation under labor costing. Before we go into the problem, we'll see what is this normal wages. A wage is a compensation paid to employees for a work in a company during a period of time. Okay, wage is nothing but the compensation to the employee for his work or her work in the company for a period of time, and wages are always paid on certain amount of time, is based on certain amount of time, and this is usually an hourly basis. Okay, and this wages is paid on hourly basis. And the other form of this compensation is salary, commission, etc. We can call by various names, and it is the compensation paid to the employee for the work in a company. And now we'll see what is this overtime wages. Overtime wages refers to any hours worked by an employee that exceeds their normal scheduled working hours. That is, if any employee works after the normally scheduled working hours, it is treated as a overtime. Okay, and the rate of this overtime varies between companies. Okay, and employees are normally paid at a basic rate for an agreed number of hours. Any hours above this agreed number are usually paid as the overtime rate. Normally it will be double the rate, normal rate. Okay, now we'll see one problem. Calculate the normal and overtime wages payable to a workman from the following data. Okay, the days was given and hours worked also given. Normal working hours is 8 hours per day. Normal rate is rupees 2 per hour. Okay, and the overtime rate is double the usual rate. That is, if the normal rate is 2 per hour, the overtime wage is 4 rupees here. Okay, and the normal working hours is 8. Okay, now we'll see how to work out this problem. First we have to write this in this format, that is the days and total hours worked. This will be given in the problem, so I have written that. And next we have to write the normal working hours, and in this problem it is given 8 hours per day is the normal working hours, so I will write that. Okay, and now we have to calculate the overtime hours. Okay, and this overtime hours is calculated based on the total hours worked. See, for Monday the total hours worked is 8 and the normal working hour is 8. So there is no overtime hours. And for Tuesday the hours worked is 10 and the normal working hours is 8. So the overtime is 2 hours. And next, Wednesday total hours worked is 9 and normal working hours is 8. So the overtime is 1 hour here. And Thursday it's 11 hours worked and normal working hours is 8. So the overtime here is 3. And on Friday hours worked is 9 and normal working hours is 8. So the overtime hours is 1. So on Saturday it is considered as a half working day. So the hours worked here is 4 and the normal working hours is also 4. So no overtime here. Okay, so this how we have to calculate the overtime hours. And for this overtime hours, the wage is to be doubled. Okay, and the normal wages here is 2 rupees and for overtime it is 4. Okay, we have to calculate the normal wages first. Normal hours worked is 44 hours into 2 rupees, that is the normal rate. Okay, so we'll get 88 rupees. And the overtime wages, overtime hours is 7 here and double rate per hour. Okay, so we'll get 4 rupees. So 7 into 4, we got 28 rupees. And the total wage paid to the employee is 88 plus 28 will get 110. Okay, this is the total wages paid for a week. Okay, now we'll see one more problem. Calculate the normal and overtime wage payable to a workman from the following data. Here also the days and hours worked was given, and normal working hours is 8 hours per day, and normal rate is 0.5 per hour, that is 50 paise per hour. Overtime rate up to 9 hours in a day at single rate, and over 9 hours in a day at double rate. Okay, see here, overtime is based on the hours work, that is up to 9 hours single rate will be paid, and after that 9 hours double rate will be paid. And this is one option, and we have one more option, that is up to 48 hours in a week at single rate and over 48 hours at double rates. Okay, this is based on weekly wage. Okay, that is up to 48 hours in a week. Okay, we have to calculate here the wage on the basis of day, on the basis of week. Okay, both we have to calculate, and it is given whichever is more beneficial to the workman, and we need to find whichever is more beneficial to the workman. Let's start doing the problem. First we have to write the days and total hours worked, and after that we have to write the normal working hours. Okay, in the problem it is clearly given, that is normal working hours is 8 hours per day. So I have written that total normal working hours will comes to 44, and next we have to find the single rate overtime hours and double rate overtime hours. Okay, for this single rate overtime hours up to 9 hours it is single rate, and after 9 hours it is double the rate. First we will write the single rate overtime hours. Okay, here you check, normal working hours is 8, so no single rate, and for Tuesday it is 10 hours work and the normal hours is 8, so at single rate we have 1. Okay, and for Wednesday it's 9 total hours worked and normal working hours is 8, so here also we have 1 at single rate. And on Thursday 11 hours worked and normal rate is 8, so after that up to 9 hours we have to take it under this single rate, so 1 will come there. And for Friday 9 hours, so 8 is the normal working hour, so 1 will come. And on Saturday 4 hours, half working day, so there is no overtime because the normal working hours is 4 only. Okay, so in single rate we don't have any, so I'll put 0. Okay, total single rate overtime hours is 4 we got. Okay, now we will write double rate overtime hours. Okay, check for first on Monday it's 8 and 8 and here 0, so the double rate will be also 0. And Tuesday it is 10 and normal working hours is 8, and at single rate 1 hour we have and 1 hour at double rate. Okay, in simple I'll tell you, if you add this normal working hours, single rate hours and double rate hours, you should get this total hours worked. Okay, and on Wednesday 9, 8 we have here and 1 in single rate, so no double rate hour. And for Thursday it's 11 here and normal hours is 8, so we'll get 3 in that 1 single rate and the balance 2 is double rate. And for Friday only 9 hours, so normal working hours is 8, so we have only 1 single rate hour overtime, and on Saturday we don't have, so the total double rate overtime hours is 3 hours. Okay, and now we have to calculate the wages on day basis. Okay, on day basis the normal wages will be 44 hours, normal working hours into the rate per hour is 50 paise, so we'll get 22 rupees. And for single rate overtime is 4 hours we have, and the rate per overtime single rate So we'll get 2 rupees, and double rate overtime 3 hours we have, and 3 into 1 will get 3. So total wages on day basis, if we add all this 3, we'll get 27 rupees. Okay. Now we have to calculate wages on week basis. Single rate hours, that is, it is given in the problem, up to 48 hours, it is single rate. 48 into 0.5 will get 24, and after that 48, that is totally we have 51 hours. So 51 minus this 48 will get 3. So 3 into 1 will get 3 rupees. So total wages on week basis is also 27. Okay. Both the plans are equally beneficial to the worker. Okay. Because on day basis also they'll get 27, and on week basis also they'll get 27 rupees. Okay. I hope now you're clear to calculate this wage, normal wages and overtime wages. Okay, I have given you a small problem for you to practice. Thank you for your patient listening.